Hey everyone, welcome back to Grow with a Gentle Shamim. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to modify columns in Google Ads. A simple but powerful way to improve how you analyze your campaign performance. Whether you are running search, display, or Google Ads, understanding which metrics to focus on can make to break your results. So let's dive in. Why modifying column is important? By default, Google Ads shows a basic set of columns like clicks, impressions, and CTR. But did you know you can customize your columns to include key metrics like conversions value, ROS, search impression share, cost per conversion, and many more. The customization helps you focus only on what metrics to your business and save a lot of time during campaign analysis. Let's see how to modify columns. At first, log into your Google Ads account. Go to your campaigns or ad groups or ads. You can modify your columns in campaigns level, ad group levels, or ads level. So let's see campaign level. You can see that by default Google set my column, campaigns, budget, status, optimization score, campaign type, impression, and many more. I need another columns like expected monthly conversions, impression conversions, CPA last 7 days, CPA last 14 days, effective search share, and many what you wanna to see by this column. So you can see that here at first search segments and columns. Click on column. You can see that recommended column, optimization score, tick mark. If you don't want, then you can click here, it will be removed. Then setup, you can add what you wanna see here. So it is default columns. I wanna add custom column, so let's click columns, and here you can see that plus icon, custom column. Create a custom column. Type here a name of this column, expected month conversions, and you can add here a description. It's optional, therefore I wanna set a description. And here you can see that data format, number, percent, money, text, true or false, date. It's expected monthly conversion, that's why a number. Then here you can see that here to build a formula or add columns and functions or state typing. If you don't know JavaScript code, then contact with me, I will provide you this code. Okay, then here you can see that visual and text, just paste here the formula and save. Okay, apply. Here you can see that expected month conversions added here. If you wanna see another, then I will show you. Columns, modify columns, and custom column. Here in this sheet you can see that many conversions, impression conversion, CPA last 7 days, effective here, many more here. Let's see another one, number, money. Let's see this one, CPA last 7 days, name, CPA last 7 days, description, just copy. If you need, then you can copy from here and paste here. Number or money, you can see that data format is money, so it will be money. To build a formula, this is the formula. Just type or copy text and paste here, save, apply. Just wait. You can see that CPA last 7 days here. And that's how you can modify columns in Google Ads to focus on the data that truly matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips like this. If you need any service or help, then you can contact with me and let me know in the comments what are your favorite metrics to track in Google Ads. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.